Yeah.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, so it's the next day from the baptism. So anyway, I started working today. I had meetings all morning and everything like that. I was lesson planning for a little bit. Got tired of lesson planning. Going to the beach. I have not, believe it or not, I have not been to the beach since I've been here. I've been here maybe 3 weeks now. Have not gone to the beach. One, the beaches have been closed. Two, I don't know, like the vibe just not there to go anywhere. And then what else? Oh, I attempted to go to the beach. So I attempted to go to the beach twice, 2 times, and I ended up going to Port Antonio before I went to the beach. And every time I left Port, it was night, so I never made it to the beach. So today is my 3rd attempt going to the beach. We're gonna be successful today because I'm not going to Port Antonio. Hopefully, with God's grace, traveling mercies and everything, we'll reach on time. It's 2:33 right now. Like I said, I've been lesson planning, almost done. I don't teach until Wednesday. Today's Monday, so I still have like a day, but I don't want to leave everything till tomorrow. Formal observations are going on. I don't know what's going on if you are in education. If not, that's when your supervisor come and observe you. Are you an effective teacher? Yes or no? And that affects your shmoney. So as long as I'm doing great, my shmoney was go. So yes, I'm just in prep mode for that. But anyway, without further ado, I just want to sit down and open up and let y'all know what's going on. So we heading to the beach, honey. Don't know what to expect. I know beaches aren't crowded. It's Monday. All the holiday and festivities, everybody that's been traveling, going to the beaches and all that, they are gone. I like to go to the beach when it's like semi, not crowded, but semi people there. I'm pretty sure today will be bland. Ain't nobody gonna be there like that. Probably the vendors and stuff. I have on a bathing suit. It's like a thong bathing suit. I don't know if I'm gonna feel comfortable because y'all, my stomach is not, I mean, it's never been on flat, but now it's really on 6 months. Okay, so I brought her like a one. I had left some bathing suit down here. It's like a one, what do you call them, 1-piece suit. So that, and we're about to head out. Ooh, my grandmom came, and y'all want to see the shorts that I have on. She gon' say something. So let me go ahead and sit down. She took a seat, so I'm gonna have to put my dress on, y'all. They said I'm gonna put my dress on because I ain't trying to hear her mouth. I'll catch y'all on the road. Hey guys, got to beach. And you're laughing with me? What am I doing? What am I doing? Eh? May I have something? I don't know about? May I have something I don't know about? Why that nice? The lucky don't want me back. Oh, it's the key. That car is the door. So guys, here at beach, as predicted, beach not really pack up. Just an easy vibe. The temperature is cool. Everything just relaxing. Drinking a country style pineapple juice with ginger. I saw this meme the other day on Instagram. Somebody was like, why people have to put ginger in a certain juice? I was like, listen, if I can't feel it in my chest, I don't want it. I like when ginger strong in a juice and you have to just this is not really strong, and I get why, because they're doing mass production. But tropical rhythm, the sorrel with the ginger, bad. Sweets by chicken. So babe, why you left this a little piece? You love a little piece of something?
I love her chicken.
Sweets by chicken. Usually I don't like it, but today it tastes good. I'm gonna eat a piece of this. I'm here left it for? Yeah, please, boy.
Oh yeah, something.
I'm here left for? You soon go swim.
Me?
Babe, tell Zach to come say hi to you.
Zachary, come in.
Last time, sir.
Go on next side. Go on Saturday.
Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Go up in there, no? I go.
You'll see yourself on YouTube now.
What?
You'll see yourself on YouTube now. And tell me something up on YouTube. And that's how you show him.
When?
One time I did your fire media watch a video.
Taste bad news.
Taste bad? I smell away. I don't come and drink this drink. Smell away. I can definitely smell it. I first me see this.
What am I seeing?
Bad juice spoil. I first me see this, honestly. So you have to leak it up there?
I leak it out?
No, you have to leak them out?
No. You're better than still. Just I tell you it's spoil.
Alright.
That's them, you know?
Take them from me, beer?
Yeah, just drop them this, you know? You know why?
No, me no want liquor.
You want a proper disposal?
Yeah, I want to do a proper disposal. What do you? No, dirty up Jamaica. You see this, the campaign? Yeah, boo. But I want that song. That's where. Guys, this man love where shots are show up in properties. Alright, you're good. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna make many options. Oh, I didn't even tell you. I had to put a dress on. Yeah, I put a dress on. It's a dress, but I'm wearing it as a skirt. Cause when mama come, me need to walk out to the shorts. And I feel like that shorts wasn't bad. I feel like over wearing it, it just start like ripping and showing more. And if you fix it, can you play with me? Yeah, you can. Wear better shorts.
Well, a beach shorts.
And a beach shorts that?
Football shorts.
A football shorts and a beach shorts?
No. I say beach shorts, man. Ask any man.
And a beach shorts sweets. Me tell you what beach shorts already, you know. And you have
beach
beach
shorts. Same thing. And the same thing a beach shorts?
The beach shorts you would see it. Because beach shorts have the mesh brief part and I would have hide it.
Very nice. Let me tear them out, no.
You don't tear you to one of them?
No, because me already on but they want to mirror after the cemetery and go for the. Is that cool?
Alright, guys. I'm going to find myself another water, you know. And yeah, I feel like this is the good part about working from Jamaica. Like, you know, after work I can come to the beach and still relax. It's still time for me to do things. So yeah, that's good. Versus if I was home back in the States, like, but I just go lay down. Chat can't too much parrot. Alright guys, so we're gonna swim. I think my camera with me, my camera isn't waterproof, so I can't bring y'all in the water, but I'll bring y'all over there. The water cool? Yeah. No cool, feel nice? You not swim?
You don't know how to do without floating.
Oh. The water cool, yeah? You cool? I was like saying no cool.
It's not cool to me because it didn't work.
Alright, one say cool, one say no cool. Either way I'm getting in it. So I need to hurry up and go before sun gone. I know it's a burn you? Why? Why you know it's a burn you?
Because I'm eating. Go underneath water.
Okay, go under water?
Go underneath water.
Alright. I'm look for Fari. Him rate me, you know. Him say him not bring him goggles, so him your mama yo. As me reach mosquito and then something that bite me. Anyway, him saying could bring him. He can't go on water without him goggles because it hurt him eye or whatever. So yeah.
Every day and every night, every night. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling?
Guys, this is me a big baller. Leon Bailey. Shade Bailey.
Come
Nah,
here,
take
salad.
no salad.
Come.
Nah, take my salad.
It's a come feed.
I'm not taking no
Yo. What's up, guys? We're here in Montego Bay.
Deep and wide, there's a deep and wide, deep and wide and deep, wide and deep. Alright, guys, so Thiago, bury me. He's digging my hole. Why? And they're helping. Wazak.
Yeah. Oh, na na, oh na na. I'm gonna be so turned up tonight. I'm gonna be so turned up all the time. I'm gonna be so turned up tonight. I'm gonna be so turned up all the time. Listen what me say. Get it up, we turn it up, yeah, we turn it up. Anywhere we go, we bring the mess in at the club. Boom, 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 nothing no nice like your soul. Everywhere we go, the man them run with over. See, bring the girl them with the attitude and the fat bumper girl them clean and me pro. The party no less than that my girls come too. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, how we do. Turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. I'm gonna be so turned up tonight. I'm gonna be so turned up.
Guys, my body a pulsate, like my body feel numb.
Come, get up.
I can't get up. And then I move.
Like yeah. That's what I'm hearing from me and them. No.
I can't get up. Nobody wants them to come picture before me get it over. I have this picture. I can't get up. Chat, what you do? Oh, where are you? No. That's not it. You can't get up. What do I do? It feels funny. What y'all doing?
It's a block, Charlie, it's a block.
My foot then can't move.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, no berry shall there too, no.
Alright,
Shaka
my ball free. What your ball free?
What about two of them?
My toes are moving.
Hey, toys? You go and Jackie.
Oh my
Babe,
God.
come now, no? I'm done. I want to go in that water.
Give 10 push up.
10 sit up. 10 sit up, my God. 1. We are leading back. We're not leading back, you know. Yeah. 2. No. You just start feeling good. You just start doing it the right way.
Are you saying I feel lay down? That's time I lay down. How much me gone?
2. 3. You are leading back, you know. 3.
I'm not lay down.
3.
You can't be my coach. You don't rate me.
3.
You said do 2.
Push yourself. You have to push
5.
yourself.
6.
No, you can't count yourself.
Oh no,
4
that's
minutes.
6.
4 minutes.
I'm
6
not
more.
playing.
6
I'm
more.
not playing.
I went to it.
Yeah, man. I tell you, I'll ticklish the back shop.
No!
Oh, no, I can't take it screaming on the beach, you know. Can't take it screaming on the beach.
Yeah, stop. Leah answer for no one. I'm a son, y'all.
Hey, hush, bro.
Alright, me feel dizzy now. Me feel dizzy now, be up. I'm gonna stop ticklish my foot now. Me go pee pee up. I don't know what I send them in nice stand now bite me.
No.
Come about my foot. Come about my foot.
You start scratching me.
Alright, mine to come.
Yes, my boss. Yes.
Wanna move the camera now?
You know how I feel this, man. You know how I feel.
Of course, me I feel it. What do you mean? Move it. Move.
Yes. Come on, you know, I sit up there, you know. Hey, bro.
Don't talk to me.
You can't feel that way.
Because I cut off my circulation. Babe, get off my tooth! Babe!
Stop going to man. You can't catch my foot. Catch my foot. Look at me.
Babe, get up.
Catch my foot. Look, I'm going to stop this. That's Sham. That's Zachary. That's Amalia. And this is BrightAsDae.
Shade versus the sun. Sun 10, Shade 0.
And that's Winnie Susan. Stop this. Come on, stand up. Oh.
My aunt stand up too.
Molly.
Hey guys, so we're done swimming. Everything is night now. I swim off my wig. I swim on that dive. Basically, my wig came off, so I just kept it off. Hey, no, then why you wet up your slippers? You can't. Anyways, we're gonna leave now and go up for beer and something. Say hi now. Just always a look.
Joy, come down. Do not tell us how they are moving already.
I'm gonna be over there. Alright, big up yourself. Alright guys, I'll check out when I get home.